How's it going? Chuck, Sound Survival Tactics. In this video, I'm going to be going over some basic Muay Thai combos for beginners. And just jump right into it. First, we're going to start with the jab cross. So from your guard, jab, cross. Okay? Jab, vertical fist, cross, turns over. So you can do a set of these. Just jab, cross. Alright, jab, cross. Make sure you're stepping with the punches. Jab, cross. Jab, cross. One more. Boom, boom. Basic combo number one. Now, next we're going to do jab, cross, hook. So, guard, jab, cross, okay? And hook. Stir in the pot, comes right back to your guard. Right? Jab, cross, hook, right back. And you can do this on the other side too. Jab, cross, hook, back. All right? Jab, cross, hook. All right. Now next, we're going to throw in a simple slip. So with the slip, shoulder comes forward, and then you're going to counter with the jab. Okay? I'm slipping to my left, counter with the jab. Okay? If I slip to my right, it's going to counter with a cross. All right? So slip, jab, back, slip, cross, back. Let's do that again. Slip, jab, slip, cross, slip, jab, slip, cross. Careful not to come way out here. Don't need to slip that far. Okay, we're just slipping fist here. All right, slipping here. So careful not to step out too far. You don't need to slip that far. You're just letting that fist go by your head, right? So boom, counter, boom, counter. So quick review. First basic combo, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. Next combo, jab, cross, hook, jab, cross, hook, jab, cross, hook, jab, cross, hook. From the other side, jab, cross, hook. Then we got the slip, slip, counter with the jab or a cross, right? Doesn't matter as long as you return fire. Someone punches you, punch back, take a shot. No free shots. Bam, bang, boom. All right, those are 3 basic Muay Thai combos for beginners. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And I always appreciate the feedback. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and share it out. And to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Just click on that subscribe button and you'll get notified of future videos as they come out. Until next time, take care. See you soon.